ni ndugamano cia mbeũ njithi aria makoretwo makihimberia mirurungano na ugia wa Ruto must go makihinyiriria ati no nginya President William Ruto eherie giturwa-ini na kuria riu Ruto erumite kini ndarenyenyeka.
And if it is Ruto must go, tell me how you want me to go. What do you mean? What do you mean by Ruto must go? How do I go? Because we have a constitution in place, dear people. If you want Ruto to go, please, my simple advice to you, look for a better plan.
Ruto agetikira Kenya ni arakaru nake ende akamoria manyihie marakara akiuga maya gucungiriria bururi kurika hatikaini ya ngahiana ndugamano iringigiriria uthii wa na mbere.
Hate brings conflict. Conflict brings violence. Violence is not a solution to unemployment, is not a solution to any of the challenges that Kenya is facing.
President ni akomithitie mirurungano ya muthe wa gatatu akiuga ndirari na itenya ringi otiga guthukangia indo cia muingi na gucora bica ya bururi ukirie guthinekana.
And there are people who are telling us, oh, you know, 25th was very successful. Really? It was successful with people having died?
Ukiri uguo Ruto ni athite munene wa borithi Douglas Kanja kwambika uthuthuria wa gutigirira aria othe manyitirite mikobanga kana kurugamirira mirurungano eno undu mwe na uthukangia wa indo ni moerwo makinya maromu make watho.
I will do the best that I can to protect everybody. You cannot replace a plan that is working that you don't like with no plan. The only thing you have, you are armed with hate and violence.
President anaunira kanwe ithige kuorota atongoria kiuteti akiuga nio makoretwo makirugamirira na gutindikiriria mirurungano eno tafanio agitariria ati ono matigotigirirwo watho wambiriria kurutithio wira.
It was calculated chaos. It was violence. It was destruction. And it was economic sabotage. To the political actors who think they can exploit the genuine aspirations of our young people to foment chaos, violence, and destruction, the wheels of justice will find you.
Mwene-ini wake munini wa President Professor Kithure Kindiki nake ni arutĩire ateti mukana mururu aria rauga maranyita itemi ikobanga mirurungano eno akiuga thirikari ikomera makinya ota maria koragwo ekioera itoi.
Hatutangojea uende usababishe vifo na hiyo mambo ya ugaidi. Tutakuja tukuchukue na tukutafute kabla hata haujatoka kwako nyumbani. Hivyo ndio tunafanyanga na Al-Shabaab.
Kurigana na Kindiki thirikari ndegukira ringi irekereria atongoria ya meya ati oriria maraiga ugitiri wa bururi hatikaini riu akiuga ni mehariirie kumenwo bata bururi urumi ugitiri na thayo waguo.
Unajua kuna watu wako na shida, wako na ugonjwa, wanasiasa. Ukienda mahali upigiwe makofi mawili matatu na wananchi unajifanya wewe ni Mungu. Iko mtu ambaye ni mkubwa kuliko nchi ya Kenya? Hata hakuna mtu anaweza guza nani sijui fulani nini? Watu wanatutisha hapa sijui utachaguliwa one term. So
hadi ni Kabime TV ndeterako ni Bataru wa Mwagi.